Buddhāvataṃsaka, the Flower Ornament Sutra, Chapter 2, The Appearance of the Buddha. In every instant, by the teaching which can shower the rain of all Buddha teachings, they enlightened as many sentient beings as atoms in an ocean of worlds. In every instant, by the teaching of light illuminating everywhere in the 10 directions, pervading the cosmos and showing mystical demonstrations, they enlightened as many beings as atoms in an ocean of worlds. In every instant, by the teaching of all Buddhas' power of liberation, manifesting the body of Buddha everywhere, filling the cosmos, they enlightened as many sentient beings as atoms in an ocean of worlds. In every instant, by the teaching of the universally good enlightening being, setting up the ocean of all sites of enlightenment, with all assemblies of beings, they enlightened as many sentient beings as atoms in an ocean of worlds. In this way, throughout all universes, adapting to the mentalities of sentient beings, they caused them all to awaken. In every instant, they each caused as many sentient beings as atoms in a polar mountain who had fallen into miserable states, to be forever relieved of their sufferings. Each caused that many sentient beings stuck in wrong concentrations to enter right concentration. Each caused that many sentient beings to be born in celestial spheres according to their inclinations. Each caused that many sentient beings to rest secure in the states of Buddha's disciples or self-enlightened beings. Each caused that many sentient beings to serve good teachers and act virtuously. Each caused that many sentient beings to set their minds on supreme enlightenment. Each caused that many sentient beings to head for the enlightening being's stage of non-regression. Each caused that many sentient beings to attain the eye of pure wisdom and see all things impartially, as does the Buddha. Each caused that many sentient beings to abide securely in the powers and the oceans of vows, and to purify the Buddha lands by means of inexhaustible knowledge. Each caused that many sentient beings to dwell in the vast ocean of Vairochana's vows, and be born in the family of Buddhas. At that time, the enlightening beings simultaneously raised their voices within the lights and spoke in verse, saying, "In the light rays, wondrous sounds are produced, pervading all lands in the 10 directions.